Hi guys, question came in that when you try to crop an image and after you are done cropping the image, when you save it as a picture outside of the PowerPoint, the question is that I am still getting the cropped area. Well, in the newer version of Microsoft Office, you will not get the cropped area. And let me show you what I mean, and then I'll show you what could be one of the ways that you could fix the problem in the older versions. So for example, I decided to crop this picture. So I went under Picture Format tab, I clicked the crop option, and then I decided to crop this picture. Let's say I only want this much area from this picture, so I cropped this much, and I clicked outside, right click on it, and save as a picture. You can see over here that the picture I have is the cropped picture. If you're still not getting what you are looking for, then there is one more option that you can exercise before you save, is to click on the picture and go under Compress Pictures option, located under the Picture Format tab, and then you will see a couple of checkboxes here: apply only to this picture and delete cropped areas of the picture, and then you can use default resolution or whatever resolution you want. Click OK, and then try saving your picture as. And here you can see there is no difference between this is my picture 2 and this is my picture 3. So try that and let me know in the comment section below if this helps you solve the problem.